Happy Sunday, guys, and welcome to another video. Today we're making some beef ribs. So it well seasoned from last night. So let's get into this video. We're gonna add some crushed garlic and pimento seed to it. I was seasoning this lightly, nothing too much, nothing crazy. I'm gonna go in with some adobo all-purpose seasoning.
Where are you going?
We're going in with a little paprika along with turmeric. Also gonna add some black pepper to the mix. Alright, look what's going in now. Just get the seasoning all over the meat. Cover this up and then we'll refrigerate it. Let's add some vegetable oil. Let this heat up for a second and then we come back.
Oh my gosh.
Now let's sear this. Yeah. Say hi. Kids them going to church. Church day. Come say hi, Fabi. Alright, let's go and clean that bag. You want to stir them on all sides. Alright, so what we have here is onion, tomato, carrot, pepper, scallion, thyme. So we're going to chop up them. I never look at this rosemary, so I'm going to save the dry rosemary. Alright. Chop up. I'm going to use a big size for onion. I'm going to use one more onion. One thing is where I put everything in it. Just remember some want it for bigger. I want it to thin a bit. That's about it. It's another can of tomato paste. I want to set up oven on and know my really old school, right? Really old school. Alright, so we're going to use this in the sauce. I like to put it in there. Remove the excess oil and then we start. I did went in with some thyme leaf and a piece of dry rosemary. So we're gonna add this to the oil. So we're just gonna fry these off right now. Alright, I'm gonna add about a spoonful of tomato paste. I want this to fry. Fry off a little bit first. I add a little. Alright, so I saute this nicely. Once you feel like the tomato paste and the seasoning fry off a little, then we're gonna move to the next step. This smells so good already. Alright, so I'm gonna use a little red wine. Nothing special. If you don't have this, it's okay. But I drink this from New Year's night, and we still have some, so I add a little to it. If you're interested, this is it. I enjoy this, so that's why I'm showing you guys. I'm also gonna add some beef broth to it. Nothing crazy. If you don't have it, use water. I bought this at the Dollar Tree, so if you're interested, you can try it out. And then we just stir this nicely. Alright, I make this boil up a little, and then we'll add the beef back to the pot. Okay. Alright, so I return the beef to the pot. So everything, because I did put garlic and pimento seed in it when I was seasoning the meat. if you don't have a Dutch pot yet, you plan to get a Dutch pot. I would say get the one with the iron lid so that it can go in the oven, because this pot cover you can't put it in the oven, the plastic will melt. So what we normally do now is take off the screw off the handle, cover it, and then put it in the oven. So I put it in the oven for about 2 hours on 325. So what you're gonna do is check it occasionally. Don't just leave it in there for the 2 hours unless you gotta have it on a lower heat so that it will steam. But every now and again check it. If it need anything, you can add a little water or add a little beef broth, just so that it don't stick or burn. Okay, so let's put this in the oven. I'm going to fight with this now to see what I'm going. Okay. Nice and tender.